I posted recently with the Christmas holidays and the New Year fast approaching. I posted some posts in my Facebook personal page this last week and also on a few of the dental forums where I interact here and there when there's an appropriate thread. My post was one of those posts where typically at the end of the year, beginning of the new year, people are reflecting on their lives and the new goals and resolutions and all that's fine and good. I have nothing wrong with setting new goals and markers. I think that a lot of people do that with good intentions, and then very quickly, many of those fall off, and for various reasons, which I won't allude to in this video. My point here is that in my post, I talked about why I do what I do, because I often get questions about, hey, David, if you figured this thing out, financial freedom, and you don't have to like work, or you sold your dental practice years ago and you don't have to go produce that active income as you did when you were younger, why do you do what you do today? Why do you do this thing, Freedom Founders? Why are you out there, marketing and putting messages out on Facebook and blogs? And what's that all about if you don't really need to do it? And that's a fair question, especially when you're in a place in life, which we all start out that way, and I was that way for many years, where we do need to be active in the pursuit of creating income, transactional income, doing what we learned how to do, going to school for all those years. That's part of life. You got to have some money to turn the wheels, and there's nothing wrong with that. What I realized relatively early in my life, and it's not because I figured it out, it's because I was forced to do the math, is that the big question that a lot of people have is not ever knowing how much is enough. And that in itself keeps people on what I call the treadmill of life, grinding it out much longer than people really need to do it. One of the aspects of the post that I put out this last week was a Christmas card letter from one of our members. Now, this particular message was not unique in itself. It just happened to occur over this Christmas holiday. I actually have the card itself here. I'm not going to read it again, but basically this member who'd been with us for 2.5 years, who was very skeptical about Freedom Founders when he was first checking us out, and a lot of people do that, and I totally get the skepticism. Yeah, we've all bought into things or ideas that never had any real foundation, and or sometimes it's just us. We didn't commit to a particular plan. Whatever the case is, there's lots of things that didn't work out in life, right? We've all had those. And again, what we do in our Freedom Founders Elite Mastermind, it's not an inexpensive date, as we call it, but we talk about real transformation, and the fact that transformation that we help create. And I say help create because the person still has to do the work. It's not magical. There's not magic beans that we sprinkle on the ground and all of a sudden, a money tree forms. Of course not. That doesn't happen. But we create frameworks and a plan. And what we really help people figure out is how much do they really need and how to take whatever their nest egg is, right? That nest egg of, many times it's a hodgepodge of different products, but realign that nest egg and maybe the sale of a practice and tie all that together into income, a revenue that's not required to be generated by, us, the producer. It's generated by assets. When someone gets to that point, and the math is not that hard to do, getting there for some people is harder because they don't know how to do it. But when you get to that point where you have enough, everything changes. And I tell people, I do what I do today because I'm not needy. I don't need to create more income. I know how. I've done that. I know how to make my money, my investments, my capital work for me. I learned how to start doing that 40 years ago and just built my expertise over years. Now I do it through collaboration with other people, and that's the designs that we do at Freedom Founders. The point is, when you don't need anything in life, that's where you can find out where you really are best to serve. And I love getting notes, messages from so many of our members who have the same experience. It changes their life. It's not because of the money or the investments per se. Yeah, that's a piece of it. It's because they change the way they think about their lives and quit putting off till someday when they feel like they can take their foot off the pedal. It happens over and over and over again. And that's what gets me up every day. That's what forces me. It doesn't force me. It's what gives me the motivation. It's what gives me the energy to do what I do. I've got to be relevant somewhere. And if I'm not fixing people's teeth, which was a great run for many years, how else can I help? How else can I serve? Particularly when I don't need to have the money to do it. That's why I do what I do. So my point to you is, if you're running on that treadmill because you don't know how much is enough, and you want to be a good financial provider for your family, I get that. So you never know how much is enough. So you just got to keep doing more and more and building bigger and bigger and more practices and bigger office and all this stuff and pile up more money in the 401k. There is never an end to that. Do you realize that? There is never an end to that. that uncertainty is going to linger with you forever until you learn how to, number one, make your money work for you on a sustainable, predictable basis. And that's not going to be in the stock market. So it's not easy, but it's a better way. And people that come to Freedom Founders that are willing to jump in and run a blueprint that we customize for them, that's what they get as starters. And then it's just a matter of time, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. This one was 2.5 years. We've got those who do it in 12 months. We have some that may take them 24, 36 months, maybe 48 months, based on where they are in their life. The point is they've got measurable milestones. And even while they're working toward that freedom goal, they can see it. They can actually see it. And it takes some of the pressure off. So even while they're still working, they can live their lives with more peace, harmony, and security. The stress is off. When the stress is off, we're all better people. The people we serve, life is better. Joy and happiness prevail rather than the stress of worrying about the things we can't control. I know that was a little bit long-winded, but I just want to give that to you. We're still at the start of a new year, and if you haven't thought about what changes you're going to make in this new year for you, think about it. Think about it now. And then you've got to get a plan, and then you've got to have some implementation. There's key pieces of this that I'll talk about in another video at some point, but just having the idea that you can live a different life is something I want you to take in and not just pass this off as just another dreamer's idea. Nope. It's happened for me, and I've seen it happen for hundreds of people who've come through Freedom Founders. It may be something that would be right for you at the right time. Happy New Year. Remember, always stay focused on your freedom.